another side of Abra. Is it Abra? Yeah, Abra. Abra. Of Abra, right? Okay. Dubai Abra, by the way, yeah? Okay. Alright. Check out the skyline. The skyline, baby. Yeah. As you can see, the name is Al Abra. Abracadabra. Booyah. This place look cool though. It will be looking fantastic at night. I'm talking about the boats. The entrance. The entrance looks nice. It says no fish in here. Alright. Okay. So you got loads of boats right here. Got something there. Check this one out. Looks very cool though. I don't know if this moves or not, or if it's a restaurant. It's pretty done. Oh, that's good job. Hey Jazzy, I got your boat. I got your boat right here. Yeah, this looks pretty. Check out the skyline, man. It's pretty beautiful, right? And I'm getting yours. Baby. We're gonna boat. Straight to the water, man. Alright, alright. This is really a quick vlog, you know, because I got the attention of going somewhere else. But but it's not happening right now because nobody knows the way. But I'm gonna find a way, and once I'm there also, this is pretty nice as well, isn't it? Woohoo! Pretty gorgeous, isn't it? Look at the whole place, man. The place look nank. And the other side I took you to at least 2 times. Okay. Al Safe, the other side of Al Safe. That's Al Safe over there. Check the video out on the channel if you have not seen that. Al Safe video day and night, by the way. I went to I went to a museum over there and so on and so forth. Check it out. Al Safe, Dubai Al Safe on the channel as well. Yeah, this is the case, man. All right, I'll keep on doing what I'm doing. I'll keep you guys posted. Keep it safe out there, and yeah, stay positive. Peace out. check this out. So you can rent these boats. An hour, 120. Half an hour. How much we said? Half an hour, 60, right? 60 dirham. All right. These are for the boat. Okay. Shukriya. Oh yeah. Check out the surrounding area. That's the Rolex, apparently. Rolex buildings. They still have to pay with the order. You have to pay to be in a video. It's not free. So you got plenty of boats here. Some of them you can rent them, all right? You can pay. Some of them are turned into a floating restaurant. Okay. Woohoo! I already told you where we are. This is the what is it called? The Abra of Dubai. Okay. It's cool place. I've got some flies around me that are really doing their own thing apparently right now. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit of this, this area, because we have been on the other side plenty of time, which is Cityv, right? If you have not seen those videos, I'll recommend you to double check that out. All right. I took my mask off. Can't give a damn. We out here with it, okay? Make sure to destroy the like button. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. Let me show you my view. Look at the view. Look at the view. Check out the view. Peace. Said right here we got tons of boats, okay, loads of boats, out here, and you can rent them for various price, 1 hour duration or half an hour duration, depending on the budget that you put forward. You get what you pay for, at the end of the day. It's all negotiable anyway. Alright? It's a little cool place, man. Alright? I may come back here during the night time. I'll come right here. So we'll have the night version of this one. Okay, I'm not too far from this area anyway. Yeah, we'll have the night version of this one, inshallah. So yeah, let's keep going and see what else we found other than the boats. We got plenty of boats out here, tons of boats. That's pretty cool. out the sound. Woohoo! What happened here? Do you Universal Cruise?
Yeah.
What do you do? Do you do the cruise?
Yeah.
How much? No, I just want to find out first. How much? 45. And what does it consist?
It's your dinner, and soft drinks, water, and 2 hour round, beach and music, and unlimited food.
Dancing and belly dancing. Okay. All right, guys. You heard the man. This is the name of their company, right? Outcome, inshallah. Yeah. So you heard what he said. 45 and limited food, which means buffet, music, belly dance, and so on and so forth. Check my video out. Check the channel, guys. Check the vlog. I've got all that covered. Okay, I've been there, done that, and yeah, it's something that you really want to experience when you come to Dubai. And you can see it's pretty affordable. If you're in England, yeah, if you're in England, I think 45 is like a tenner. 45 is £10, and in the US that will be like 12. In Russia, you know, it's even more. You know the fuck I mean. Yeah. So let's keep on looking at this beautiful architecture of Dubai. Check out the beautiful architecture. Both old school style and so on and so forth. This is pretty cool. It's a very nice harbor. Guys, I'm gonna show you something, yeah? You got a frame. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look, you got a frame of Dubai frame. And from here as well, you can see the, I don't know if you can perceive it, the Burj Khalifa. This is pretty heavy, man. That's very, very nice. From this area anyway. From, where's he called? What did I say to you? It's called the, what did I say? Abra. Okay, so you see what we getting. This will look, I think I'm gonna stay here till nightfall. All right, and you'll see what this place looks like during, you know, the night. I'm gonna give you some more of that view. Check it out, man. Pretty beautiful, isn't it? Pretty beautiful. Hey, check the building out, man. You see the building over there? See how fine the building looks like? What do you think that represents? Let me know right down below. Just look kind of cute. See the bike? It's a mini bike. Oh yeah, baby. Let me give you some more of the building. Look at what that says. And check out this decor. This is pretty beautiful, right? I'm gonna zoom in a little bit to give you some more understanding of what I'm talking about. Hey, you see the layout? What did you make of the layout? This looks pretty nice, right? Crazy, right? I don't know, is he training? Let's see what he's doing. I'm gonna be a little bit nosy real quick. Okay, nosy. Okay, I think he was training. Stop him in his training section. Okay, pretty beautiful. Pose. You know I'm posing. You know what I mean? And I'm posing, baby. Yeah, baby. place looks sexy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You know how you do. Oh well. Look at the street light, lamps. Okay. Look at the flowers. If you're a flower lover, it's not a big park or whatever you want to call it, a little square. It's pretty beautiful. I hope you can see what I'm showing you because it's pretty bright right here. Okay, let's see what's not allowed. You know already what I'm talking about. What's not allowed? Let's see. Got a camel. Hey, that's a full 360, baby. Full 360. Yeah, baby. Okay, out here. Put our training right here. So you got a little exercise area. I'm gonna show you right quick what that looks like. We got a little area right here where you can do your little trainings. I'm not gonna show you what that consists of. I'm pretty much sure you got the idea. It's a cool place when it's nice and cool, when the weather is good. Like today, perhaps you don't mind spending a little flexing. So you know, that was flexing right here. Woohoo! I was about to go down. No cap. Was about to go down, baby. Anyways, we're gonna carry on and stop playing. You can see the whole downtown Dubai from here, or the major things anyway, including the Burj Khalifa, which is right there. Can you see that? Let me know right down below if you can see. Somewhere, oh shit, somewhere around there. Yeah, somewhere around there. Woohoo! Okay, Oscar. Hey, check this out. Pay attention to the buildings, yeah? So you got a little tiny one, a little bit bigger, and the huge one. So we got S, XL, XXX. Alrighty. Check out the little rest area that you can see. You see that? That's pretty dope, right? Woohoo! I was about to fall again. You gotta be careful in Dubai. The way the certain things are can be chaotic. You gotta be very careful. The pavement can just end suddenly, unexpectedly. Oh baby! Yeah, check out this. Just look at the view. Look at the view. Look at what we got all around us, man. This is pretty nice, and I hope you're enjoying it. And if so, guys, make sure to thumbs up the video, share it, sub to the channel if it's the first time out here, share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here, and we love your support. All right, let me know right down below where else you like to see me going, taking pictures, and you know the good stuff. Because I've pretty much done a lot. All right, pretty much done a lot. Woo-hoo! I was looking for this place. All right, check this out. I'm gonna show you something real quick. Check this out, baby. Woohoo! These are mirrors. All right. I think predominantly for women. All right. This is pretty heavy. This will look sick at night, though. This will look totally sick at night. Do you know I was looking for this? You won't believe it, I was looking for it. And I find it. Oh, I found you. Look at the alien towers. The aliens are among us. The aliens has arrived. I told you they have arrived. Look at the towers. Outfit of the day. Quickly provided to you by the mirror in the middle of the creek. Booyah! Alright guys, stop playing now. I'm out here now. I'm going to my yacht. You see my yacht right there? You see my yacht, my youth? My youth. That's my... Stop playing now. It's all mine, baby. You can all come on board. All you Shell Entertainment subscribers. That's my treat for you. Check me out, baby. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be boarding that in a minute. Alright. This is pretty amazingly designed. It looks like predominantly the materials that it's used has been wood. Okay. This is very nice. Check it out, check it out, check it out, babies. Okay, this building once again. Alright. Oh yes, baby. That's my yacht. I became very wealthy in Dubai. Alright, that's what I do now. You know what I do all day? Just counting money. I'm so rich, your eyes will blink when you see me and the wealth that I'm carrying, nigga. Being serious, people. That's my yacht right there. Right here. And I got more, obviously. Alright? Some of you, if not all, let's get back to the nitty-gritty right here, baby. You know what I'm saying? Some of you are invited. Some, if not you all. Alright? But that's what we're doing right now. See what I mean? This is what I do all day. Just hanging around in my yachts. My favorite cars, and so on and so forth. See what I'm saying to you? Believe in yourself, man. As my nigga will say, I should believe in God. And everything is possible, baby. Oh yeah, baby. We about to board it. Let's see. Check it. Let's keep this thing moving nicely. Alright. I'll be back tonight. Inshallah. Alright. Look at this crazy building we got there. Yeah, check it out, check it out, check it out. This looks like a book. On the other side, when you see the building, yeah, that building I just showed you from this side, it looks amazing. This building looks amazing from far off. Alright. Still looks good. I think the whole idea was a boat, I think. I don't know, some old school boats with the... Check out the cat chilling. So you can see more of my yachts over there. More of my yacht babies. Can you see them? But look at the skyline, man. This is pretty beautiful, right? It's amazing, it's amazing. This is gonna look so nice at night. So handsome, so beautiful. Alright? Let me put you in the real perspective of things, you know, with full understanding of these buildings. Oh yeah, check out the views. Check out the beautiful buildings. Oh yeah, we got a building zone. We got a building zone. We got the buildings. right now, all I can tell you is the weather is doing this area also a beautiful service. Check out this building, man. I don't know if I've shown you enough, but you gotta be here personally to really appreciate whatever I'm showing you. I'm telling you, got some people having fun on those boats over there. Oh yeah, I can see the I can hear the music blasting. I can hear that music, baby. It's all day. It's 24/7 in Dubai. It's always hot. And there is always something to do, which is a cool thing. You always got something fun to do, all right? It's a very good environment. Good environment for children, for your children, and so on and so forth, you know? Yeah, you can't go wrong now. All right? Yeah. These are my yacht, baby. My yacht, baby. Check out the enormity of this building. I hope you can really see it. A huge tower. I will take you to the other side in one of the vlogs, inshallah soon, so we can see these. We can see the the very building that I just showed you a second ago. These ones, we'll see them from that side of the waters. All right. Pretty heavy, man. Very nice buildings. Skyline still persisting, assisting. Hey, that is Max over there. That area, the building that I'm showing is called, that area anyway, is called Max or something like that. The metro station is called Max. Pretty nice, right? Check out the surrounding area. Of Abra. It's Abra. You know, it's pretty big. The area is kind of huge. I usually just come and go to Al Saif, which is on the other side. You know, we've been to Al Saif many times. So if you want to know what I'm talking about each time I'm mentioning the name Al Saif, you're really gonna have to check the channel to find out what it is that I am talking about. All right, it's a very beautiful old heritage village of what is it called, Dubai. So yeah, it's something that you really want to double check out. Okay, double check it out, baby. Check out my view. Hey, the sun is going down very beautifully, as you can see. Boom, of the sunset. All right, the sun's about to go down, baby. More angles of this building. I know you can't have enough. The sun is hitting it real quick also. More of the surrounding. Why am I keep on saying surrounding area? More of Al Abra, all right? Yeah, the place is pretty beautiful, man. I know I've said it thousands of times right now, but it is what it is. And if you agree with me or disagree with me, leave it right down below. And yeah, we can talk about it. We can talk about it. Just let me know. Hey, can you see all these towers? The antennas? Tons of them right here. That is crazy. Are these 5Gs? Or 10Gs? Oh, hey, let me zoom out. Let me zoom out so you can see it even better. All right. Interesting. Hey, there's more boats right here, man. More of my yachts. Hey, y'all, my yachts. So, remember I was telling you that we have the Dubai frame, which is not far. Can you see it? Wow, with the Burj Khalifa. Let me say it properly. Burj Khalifa. You see Burj Khalifa not far from here? Burj. Yeah, this is amazing. Check out my background, baby. Woohoo! Check it out, check it out. Alrighty. We turn right here. Oh yeah, look at my background. Check out the view, baby. I know. I do know. Yeah. You see where the bricks are? Right next to the glass building. About to go down, baby. About to go down. Very, very beautiful area. I like it. All right. More of my boats, my yachts. Call it whatever you want. Anytime you come, you know I'll look after your asses. You know what I'm saying? This is what we do out here, man. We support ourselves and support those that support us. You understand what I'm saying to you? We love those that love us. You hear what I'm saying to you? You know the rest. I don't need to talk too much, right? We deal with those that deal with us, and we love those that love us. You know what I'm saying? Hey, drop loads of these. Destroy the like button. Talk about the channel to your friends, guys. Okay? I'm gonna be going live, also doing some live. What is it called? I'm gonna be going doing the live streaming and so on and so forth. And it's something that will be good. We'll be talking, gaming as usual, and doing the most as usual. So talk about what we do out here. Talk to your friends. Come on, guys, come support the channel. All right, support the channel. Don't just come and peep. Watch the video for free. You're not subscribing to the channel. You're not showing any love by liking the videos and sharing them and so on and so forth. That can't make any sense. Okay, let's do the thing. Let's do things right. Okay, so peace out. Let's keep going. I got some other YouTubers. Let's go. You want to take your one? Where's your picture? You're not gonna take the picture?
Pakistani.
Take picture. Okay. So. Right. Quick picture, guys. All right. Peace. Yeah, I'll download it. Inshallah. Definitely. Yeah, hey. Salam. Pakistani, yeah? Abra. Pakistan. This is Abra. Assalamu alaikum. And where you said your channel is? All right, let's keep going with this thing. Check out the edge. Look how sharp that edge is. Damn. Woohoo. I'm still out here. I may stay here till nightfall. I don't know. It's almost the sun's about to go down anyway. But I don't know which side I'm gonna be of this place. This may be the second part of the videos anyway. Okay, this will be the night one. The night version is gonna be the second part of the video. Okay, I can't upload both of them at the same time. Even if I could, I wouldn't. We're just gonna have night and day separately. Okay, let's keep it moving. Check out what we got now. Woohoo. I've done loads of walking right now. Hey, this is pretty beautiful though. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Like it, do you? Oh, I do like it. You like it? Pretty beautiful area. You know what I mean? Let me just, put myself a little bit in the picture. You know what I mean? Show my handsome self. You know what I mean? Relax, ladies. Chill. Yeah, check out the sunset as well. I hope you can see it. Pretty beautiful. Pretty amazing, baby. See the mosque? Check out the mosque. Al mosque, yeah. Yeah, baby. It's pretty beautiful though. Hey, do you see those flowers there? The pinky. Yeah, baby. Nice. There's a lot of fishermen here. People, I don't know if they do that as sport or if they really do eat these fish. Just that they'll fish from this area. But that's pretty interesting. his bike. Rides his bikes. Yeah, we got loads of boats right here, man. Look at the area. Whew, this is beautiful, isn't it? This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey, tell me how many times I've said beautiful. Let me know right down below. I really don't know what to call this area, this section of the water. This looks like boat cemetery, but I'm pretty much sure they're still using them. When night falls, that's where the business goes. Dang. Yeah? Let me know right down below if you're from Dubai and you know what time or when these boats starts moving. It looks like boat cemetery. I'll drop my earpiece 1 second. Right. Plenty of boats though. Tons of boats. Boats. People washing themselves. He's happy. Yay! We got loads of trucks here as well. Waiting for fish, I guess. I gotta narrate the story now. You know what I'm saying? Look at this beauty. Beautiful, isn't it? These are the information. Those of you that will come eventually to these areas, check out the old, wait for it, on the new. Yeah. The beautiful sunsets, beautiful area of Abra. I keep on saying Abra. It could be more than Abra, but yeah, it is. I kind of walked for like a couple of hours now. All right. Oh, we need that sunset in the video, right? We need the sunset, baby. Oh yeah. Hey, look at the sun set on the effect that it leaves on the water surface. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh no, move back. Amazing. I think that's a tour or something like that. Bridge, isn't it? For the cars only, I guess. It's part of the pole. It's not a bridge, just a walking bridge. Fisherman's bridge. Yeah. Look at the rest of Dubai. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful skyline. Oh yeah, I'm giving it Woohoo! Guys, I'm gonna be stopping the video soon right here, and I'm gonna start with the night version of the video. All right, so I will see if there is anything further, okay, to add to it. I don't know how dark it is. Yeah, it's getting pretty dark. It's getting pretty dark. The sun's out of here also. Look, the skyline is very, very, very beautiful. Let me zoom in there so you can see. You want to see further? You begging to see further? Look, you can see the Burj Khalifa over there. We've got Dubai frame not too far from there. Yeah, this is pretty much the end of this one. Okay, this is pretty much the end of this one. So if you have indeed find this one also to be useful, drop loads of these. Okay, sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. Okay, so as usual, keep it safe, keep it lit, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's keep it moving. Let's do it and do it. Bang, bang. Keep it safe, keep it lit, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it and do it, people. Bang, bang. Peace. I'm gonna leave you with this. Woohoo! Oh yeah, baby. I know you love this. I know you love it, and you need some more. All right, hey, from Dubai, we say peace out. Yeah, yeah. I walked all the way to the end of this, you know. I kind of like blocked this section, you know, from the public. So yeah, I think. Anyway, I already done my outro. So this is pretty much yeah, this is pretty much the end of this one, man. Let me see what's written there. What's written there? Whew. All right, that's the custom service of Dubai. Yeah. Oh, check out the beauty. Well done, though. It's pretty well done. Trying to add a little bit of nature. All right. Yeah, this is yours. You can wear them too. And be yourself, live your life, right? I'm telling you, man. It's all about you. Check out that lenses. Can you see it? Check it out. Get out there, get back into nature, man. Don't let them befool you. Don't let them befool you now. Let's do it.